This is the first time you've ever been on a boat, right? You've never been on a boat before. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at all that water we have to go across. Look out. See that? That looks like an ocean almost. Come on, don't. That's a door presser, but we're not going to use it. Let's go up here. No, it's for like a wheelchair person. Let's go check up here, and then we'll go inside and get a drink, okay? Okay? Milk, 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 milk. You can walk up there if you want. Go ahead. Uh-huh. Grandma's just going to walk right on the floor. But Sebby boy, you can walk right up on that bench. Is that the biggest bench you ever saw?
No.
Look how long it is. Look at the boat swinging away at the side. See, it's turning again? See it?
No, it's going that way again.
I know. It's doing crazy things.
I'm getting colder.
I have your jacket.
Come on, please.
Oh, not much left.
I better get the hot way.
Okay, you want to go back to that door and then we'll go in and get you something?